What I can say. Sound, it's so satisfying.
It's very windy. It's very windy. Heavy raining.
ಕಾನ್ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಅಂತ
Our fry outside. Super. Organic. We done with Gaganchuki waterfalls. Now we are going to Barachuki waterfalls. It is 14 kilometers from here. We'll take half an hour to reach there. By 5 o'clock we'll be there. This is Naveen. Welcome back to another episode of Tint and Travel. On the way, stopped here for seeing the riverside view. Wow! I will show you. Wow! See the background. Wow! Super! See the view. Sun is coming out of the clouds and the reflection in the water make its perfect view. Beautiful view. Wow. See the water and the sky and the sun. Wow. Nanda,
Yeah?
what do you want to say about this?
What I can say. No words. Amazing. Extraordinary. I love the sound. It's so satisfying. It's like the waves.
Wow. It will take surely more than half an hour for reaching Barachuki because we are spending a lot of time here seeing the absolute beauty. Wow. We'll go, Shammi.
So you can see the under there is a plant.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
We'll go. Need to reach, right? Come, get in. Let us go. Let us start from here, otherwise sun will go and we can't take videos. We need to take left. Another 7 kilometers from here to Barachuki.
ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಇದು
Barachuki ನೋಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನೋಡಿ
ಅದೇ ಗಗನಚುಕ್ಕಿ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದೆ ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ
ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗೋದು?
ಓಕೆ
ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. Time is 5:05. Unfortunately, we could not reach by 5 o'clock. The forest checkpost is closed. It will open from morning 9 o'clock till evening 5. So we could not make Barachuki Falls. Now we are going back. So on the way, we are going to see the other side view of Gaganchuki waterfalls. So let us go and see. We reach here, the other side of Gaganchuki waterfalls. Let me try to capture the view of the Gaganchuki waterfalls from the other side. See, this is the view, the long view. So you can see the long view of the stairs where we went and viewed from there. It is about to rain. Here there is a very beautiful mosque, very nice. This side, this is the Gaganchuki waterfalls. Oh, it is raining. It started raining, heavy rain. Wow! See the view, very beautiful view of Gaganchuki waterfalls from here. Very windy, and it started raining. It's very windy. It's very windy. Wow! See this? Heavy rain. It's heavy rain. It is heavy raining. From here, we are going back to our home. It's heavy raining means we can't see the road. That was raining. We stopped here for having a special fish fry. We stopped near to Wesley Bridge. Just thought of frying a special fish fry from here. ಏನೇನು ಫಿಶ್ ಇದೆ?
ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಪಾಂಪ್ಲೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ರಿವರ್ ಫಿಶ್.
ಅದೇನದು?
ಜಿಲೇಬಿ ಫಿಶ್ ನೋಡಿ.
ತಿಲೋಪಿ.
ಜಿಲೇಬಿ ಫಿಶ್.
ಓ ಜಿಲೇಬಿ ಫಿಶ್.
ಟೈಗರ್ ಜಿಲೇಬಿ.
ಟೈಗರ್ ಜಿಲೇಬಿ.
ಹೌದು.
ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದು?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಂಪ್ಲೆಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಟೈಗರ್ ಜಿಲೇಬಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಇದೊಂದು ಅದೊಂದು.
ಅದೊಂದು.
ಫ್ರೈ. ಇದು ತವಾ ಫ್ರೈ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ತವಾ ಫ್ರೈ ಸರ್.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೇ ಕಾವೇರಿ
ವಾಟರ್ ಸರ್.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇ ಫಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾ?
ನಾವೇ ಫಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಹತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನೋಡಿ, ಬಲೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ತಗೋತೀವಿ.
ಸೊ ಇದು ತವಾಲ. See, this is the fresh water fish. We have, this is jalebi fish. Jalebi fish, tiger jalebi. Pomfret, fresh water pomfret. Pomfret. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಂದಿಗೆ? ಇದೆಷ್ಟು ಒಂದಿಗೆ?
120
ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಫ್ರೈ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ತವಾ ಫ್ರೈ. outside you can see it is raining, heavy rain. From here it will take 4 hours to reach Bangalore. I think worst traffic ever. Can see Google map. Tourists ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಓಪನ್ ಇದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಓಪನ್.
ನಾವು ಭರತ್ ಚುಕ್ಕಿ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಯಿತು 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ. 5 o'clock ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿಂದ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ಕು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್.
ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಮಸಾಲ.
ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಮಸಾಲ, ಪುದೀನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ,
ಕರಿಬೇವು ಸೊಪ್ಪು, ಹಸಿಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ, ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ಮೆಣಸು.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಫಿಶ್ ಮಾತ್ರನಾ? ಆಮ್ಲೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಆಮ್ಲೆಟ್ ಇದೆ.
ಪರೋಟ
ಒಂದು ಆಮ್ಲೆಟ್, ಡಬಲ್ ಆಮ್ಲೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಡಿ. Shemian Nanda coming out now. Same like Chikmagalur, right? Heavy rain. Heavy means heavy rain. I don't know what time we'll be reaching back Bangalore. Sort of having fresh water fish fry, tawa fry from here. Let us try. Omelette ready. Super. Super. Thank you. See, this is the fresh water, fresh fish, tawa fry. I'm going to try. Wow, serious. See, wow. Super. Had a nice fish fry. Now we are starting from here. Sari aunty bartane. Still raining, but we'll try to start now. Otherwise, we'll be very late for reaching Bangalore.
Nanda, all right? Yes. Everything fine? Yes.
Let us go and have our dinner and continue our journey back to Bangalore. See, this is organic Mandya Farmers Market. After dinner, we will go there as well. Shivali. Yeah, the backside you can see organic Mandya Farmers Market. This is Shivani restaurant. See, inside the restaurant there is a small waterfall. Sir, any there? What are you having, Chimney? Even let me have bisi bale baat. So after this, we will go to Organic Mandya, the supermarket. Organic Mandya, you can buy. What is this, Nanda?
This
Margherita pizza.
margherita pizza with cheese with this is everything.
We done with our dinner. Very light dinner we had. Nanda had good pizza.
Yep, I loved it.
We had Bizibale bath. Shami, give me the umbrella. Yeah. So we'll go to
Let's go
the
inside
farmers
that
market.
Let's go inside that watermelon market. I am soaked and wet. Means like not totally, but I'm getting.
See this? Very beautiful.
Some mother cow and a baby cow.
This is organic Mandya. Shami and Nanda are getting inside. We will try to buy something here. What is that? Everything is organic. See, Shami, ragi flakes. You want one? Wheat flakes.
ಹಾಲು ಮೊಸರು ಯಾವ್ದು ಜೊತೆ
Mosaru is the best combination.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಚೀಡ ಥರನೇ
What is this? This is wheat flakes. Good. You will get original honey here.
ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಹನಿ
Honey,
ಹನಿ ಇದೆ
mud pots, cast iron cookwares. These are all mud pots. Cast iron. This is also cast iron. Take the sanitizer, Shami.
ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್
Yeah. These are all organic products. Oh,
ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್
this is made out of drumstick leaf. Morega lip balm.
ಬ್ಯಾಂಬೂ ಟೂತ್
ಅದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ.
ಇದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ದು
ಬ್ಯಾಂಬೂ ಟೂತ್ ಬ್ರಷ್.
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಬೇಗ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅದು 80 ರುಪೀಸು ಇದು 65.
Here you can see all the products are organic products. Very interesting one. If you are passing through this Mysore road to Bangalore, please stop here and have a visit. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
ಮಿಲ್ಕು ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದೆ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ನಿಮಗೆ
100 grams 175.
1008 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
Pure honey,
ಪ್ಯೂರ್
right?
ಹನಿ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ
No mix, organic, pure honey. Want to take this from me? Yeah, bye. Gulkar. Sona Masuri polished rice. Home 989. Sona Masuri unpolished one. See this?
ಬ್ರೌನ್
Brown
ರೈಸ್
rice.
ರೆಡ್ ರೈಸ್ ಇದೆ
Uh-huh.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ
ಇದೊಂದು ಪೌಡ್ರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದು ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಪೌಡ್ರು. ಬೆಲ್ಲ ಪೌಡರ್.
ಶುಗರ್ ಇದೆ ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಇದೆ
ಇದಕ್ಕೆಷ್ಟು?
ಸರ್ 165 MRP 149 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
ಇದು ಕೆ ಜಿನಾ?
ಕೆಜಿ
Okay, take Shami. See, all organic products. Everything organic here. This is vacuum cooked sweet potato. This is also dry one and without oil they are preparing this. This will be good. Which one you want, Nanda? Sweet potato, mixed sweet potato or golden sweet potato?
I think.
You'll take this?
Yeah.
Mixed one.
Yeah.
Okay, you're taking this.
Bamboo rice is the most special rice that is grown out of a bamboo shoot at the end of its lifespan.
Yeah. Bamboo rice. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕಾ? ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವಾಶ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕಾ? Millet.
ಬಾದಾಮ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್.
ಓಕೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಟೀ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಟೀ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್.
What is this? Dark chocolates. You want to try one?
Blueberry and dark.
Try a small one.
Is there almonds in it? No, I don't know.
What is this? Am I done?
Chocolate. So lollipop?
Organic. Give me some seeds we can buy
To eat or to plant?
to plant.
Oh, okay then.
Are we done with the billing? We done a small shopping from the farmers market. Now we are heading to Bangalore.
Mama, there is an activity we should do.
This is the end of this episode. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.